that
Put it,
storyteller that.
put it on love chat too much.
Storyteller.
Put it on chat too much and put it on
When
the
you
no
can't
man.
stay there, and
put
people
it
when
on
you
love
work and your
chat.
cousin over there, pan the tweet for it and I say, them come take her out the baby, so why are the blood clot shelter? If them come take you out of the house, then where you say, why are the shelter? Because you catch you with big bag of pack of either go where shame. Tell them stop walk and pray to a story. Stop do that, you too delusional.
Because she only reach back at the shelter so
quick. You take your baby for true, girl. Behave yourself. Me tell you all me beg you for do. Come off of the blood clot internet.
Matic,
as me ear
so the baby get taken. Don't call you go on bad.
I go on bad. And cause you know bad too bad, you know say me. You know that cause you know say all when me a chat and chant, I am a blood clot. You know that I will last what I do. You know that cause you know say all when me a chat and chant, I am a blood clot. You know that I will do that to my girl. You want the internet to turn against me like me a bad person. Me is not a bad person. Me is not a bad person. Why you want blood clot compared to one picture and come create one havoc for me? You want to create one havoc for me? Why you wicked so and delusional, girl? If my cousin never see a while ago, 1 month to post you with a post. Stop look sympathy twep. Manage me on the internet, cause you say it's a fucking sensation and cause you can't manage me over here, cause you never know something terrible. You run because you want the whole blood clot internet turned against me. You come go on like say the baby get take with all cause you want the whole blood clot script. The people who are in a bumble clot make the people them know you start this. Cause me see everybody come go like, oh Matic just they don't want come do this. No. I want blood clot with the woman that ride me. 1 week all when I have the baby, she dip on the internet and ride me and she come for the baby and I still not address her. And the woman that class me on the blood clot internet and I not address her. If she never in her box I come talk about me look at 8-year-old suck blood clot other than them blood clot something that this something madam I would look on this girl here. But no girl now go run a joke with my niece. I'ma sit down with that. You're too delusional. You're gonna get a beat no blood clot from God. Remember you tell me that. Say anyhow you're ungrateful to me. Remember you tell me say God I go give you a beating. And me now wish no bad for you. I'm done half a blood clot you. I'm gone in my corner cause guess why? Karma is a fucking bitch. I'm love karma for make you be a fucking bitch. I'm done for you. But me just come for clear my name. I come for clear my bumbleclot name. You're fucking wicked and evil. Paint a picture like say, oh yeah, your baby get take. Girl, mind your bumbleclot mouth catch you, girl. You wicked self. My cousin never see a while ago in the shelter. Either take away yourself for the clothes them and the things them. You would have post this and that. Oh my God, you're this, that, third. Girl, you're too fucking wicked. Why you so wicked? You're unfit. You're an unfit parent. I'm ever tell you say you're fucking mental and you're mental for bumbleclot truth. A mental behavior that a mental behavior. Can your baby not get no CPS no and the people them are passing on the blood?
Listen,
video them.
We tell the people them say your cousin make you know say it's a shelter and it's a family shelter, so the CPS coming there like every day.
Jesus Christ.
Them coming there like every day. She too wicked, but you don't hear. Say if you get anything, can you don't blood clot hear. You don't hear. Why you know if you that answer me, I call her from first, you would have say her.
Cause me not, cause I'm busy I try to find out if I true me I make be a phone call.
When me hear say the baby get take away, I'm ignorant and frightened, so I call you, I go on bad.
Cause you see me can't even talk when they say the baby get taken. You see me there, I'm stuck, come here, say blood clot, or what is? And what is it true? Me I try to make phone call, come here, say me can't believe. Me even make my bumbleclot friend reach out to you. For sure you can one thing with me, me no certain thing with girl, me no wicked like you. Me no wicked like you. You's a fucking delusional girl.
I want to move out of the shelter, you can't go back. So where you would have
and then I mix up your cousin and bring your cousin out and look sympathy. Stop look fucking sympathy from the
but
internet.
Girl, but Matic, all she still are going to the shelter for clothes. She not move out.
She don't move out. As her next shelter, she gone. Get off the fucking internet, man. You're fucking sick. You're fucking sick. Get off the internet. You're fucking sick.
So
You're
all along now.
Sick.
all along me I tell you, so come clear name. If wait name never see her, you would come on the internet.
I know my cousin never see her a while ago. Jesus Christ.
I'm mad, yeah, mad.
She would post like the baby get take for truth. Me used to, I know you from hear the story, I know nothing no go so. But me feel a way. I work in the shelter. CPS come to the shelter every week. Me know that.
Me work at the shelter. I go look up.
Me know that if my cousin, she better careful her tongue for you and be careful. Be careful of your tongue, your mouth will catch you. Because me don't know what that you try put for yourself a paint a story.
I know.
I know the only blood clot either Twep Twep can't trick me because I know her. Me know her from my aunt to my blood clot too. She can't trick me. From me hear the story, me know nothing go so she want sympathy from me because she seminar on a blood clot joke with her.
No, Anna me see remember me and Matic a cousin. My cousin see her and me call Matic. Because my next cousin have Matic number, but she and my cousin, they are the same shelter. So my cousin go downstairs a while ago and see her. So she frightened when my cousin see her. So she'll tell my cousin say, what shall I say? What shall I say? But you don't hear Matic. After today, you just need to get the internet a breeze. Allow out the story.
But cause me done long time.
Make sure go our ways. And so she serve you one summons.
I saw somebody call me and tell me I'm come and me hear social people are look for me. Forgive me summons.
Who police? But remember your father, so obviously. But where if I understand, you know why I know I lie to? Because if she got hospital and them something, I think the hospital are going to call you. Because them supposed to have a number, right? And them
of course, them have my number. And if anytime I tell appointment, I tell them my phone it come to. Them
so
have
anything
all information.
So if anything like that did happen on CPS call and them something, I think you should get a phone call too.
I remember say every visit, me never miss a visit for the area. So they would have called me.
They would have called me. I said to myself, so, but obviously if something like that happened, them should have called Matic too.
Ruby Wagwan, girl, it too delusional. What kind of something that you want on your head? You want whatever you can paint a story, your sympathy, I look from the internet, but oh my God, you're gone. Bitch, you're in the shelter. If my cousin never see a while ago, who amount of post you that post and I go like the baby gone for true.
Are you?
Catch you for right now while ago.
But so when you see that tomatic, when me call you from me call you shock, come like you frightened.
You see me frightened too when my cousin call me say she see her for true in the shelter while you see me shock. On the phone, we couldn't even talk.
Can you think the poor baby get take away for true?
Me think she get take away for true, me fucking shock.
Cause them say you talk, say they make the baby get take away. So obviously everybody's going to think are true. Everybody think are true.
I remember she talk, me don't know her address. So if me don't know your address then, me make CPS come, I must someone friend them then. Somebody were close to you, because me don't know your address.
That's why I know. What our cousin said the house CPS come, and that's the shelter. What she post up?
At the shelter. So you reach Queens to Manhattan so fast. In a 10 second. In a 10 second you reach Queens to Manhattan so fast. You're too fucking wicked. You're too blood clot wicked. You not stop be delusional. You not stop come on the internet, come paint a story. Same way you have your cousin a while ago over there, the same cousin we give her certificate for wipe out her name and Photoshop it and put her name like you go to school. That's same, so you come care a story
but that's,
a while ago
but
again.
That's crazy though.
That's fucking sick mentality.
I'm not care about you now.
Lord, she have the baby. No,
me have family and the things them, so me have to look out for Matic, but me not lie. If Twep Twep, if not like that, not really happen. Twep Twep post that on the internet, like that's fucked up, girl. Like
fucked up, family. I'm more than
girl,
fucked
you have your own baby,
sick.
Girl. You cannot pray them something to pay your baby. You cannot do that.
What that you gonna when you try? I sympathy me know you stay love fucking sympathy mental.
You stop saying certain things to cause. If it did happen for true, you could tell nobody saying you take God out of the
You know why I could tell people saying on me? Cause guess what? I don't know your address.
Yeah, but listen now, remember you talk, you could go tell nobody saying on you. So allow out certain things to and leave her, make sure go our ways and just allow it out. Nothing that happen, she have her baby.
Sure, it go suck your mama dirty stinking girl. Me come on live with her. You didn't see me come on live with nothing. Hey, bitch, you know back up. Why you follow me to pan top? Girl, when you come out of this now, you know nothing. You don't know nothing. You don't know nothing. You don't never. One thing you don't know the internet. That's why I'm not like, and I think I'm not care. That's why I'm not read comment section when me I deal with my thing. Cause uno wicked. Cause uno there I see the woman I ride me 1 week and I me did have the baby around me yard when she ride me. All when she ride me, I have the baby.
I don't business with Matic and Twep story, but when it come on to the baby, I like Dior. I know Matic love Dior. And so, but when me hear, I'm frightened. I'm a call Matic. I'm a cuss Matic and Matic. I say no because they know me wouldn't do that. But I believe Matic say I'm not do that. So when my cousin call me and tell me say, I see her at the shelter. She at the shelter now. Me I call Matic, but Matic never answer. So but I see her. But you my cousin don't want to get involved. So my cousin don't video her.
Your cousin wicked. And me and you know say your cousin is a wicked and a liar little girl. Cause she gave one story a while ago. Poor you shy. She ever pick you one story for go sell somewhere. Your cousin too fucking wicked. And delusional.
But I cousin go on the live attack.
Wake up your 31, go look at life now. Go find yourself. Go and find yourself, girl. You know, last night where your baby father say you for go blood clot your life to Jesus. And that the boy say. You're too fucking wicked, girl. And I see him say you do the boy and make it look like your girl. I'm glad me never bumbuckler take your story and bite and follow you. I'm glad me's a listening ears all the time. You're too wicked. You're too wicked, girl. Me say when me see the bumbuckler, I'm in my sleep and see so much people come here and say, Dior get it, girl, me turn bumbuckler idiot. Come here and say, what the blood clot this? Me turn idiot out, me get up out of my sleep, me call the people come over and find out if I true yes or no. Girl, me not evil so. Me not have them wicked out there.
I'll me tell for call her, I'm a call her, she not answer.
Me tell all of my family when I like, me tell all of them for call you.
But as I say, cause she have her baby, leave it alone.
Girl, what you want to see for yourself?
Leave it alone now.
CPS, this your video, the people
that crazy for post say Pitney get take away. Like that crazy, I'm not gonna say about. Low it Matic, make it stay with there now. You come and you clear the ear, leave it now.
I mean, no shy, I know you know say me love that little girl got to bed. You know me that'll be the last thing me think about to do. Even though I know yesterday I should have come, even though I true, I should have come say it on the internet, but girl, me no wicked so. Me not tell a lie for you, but I should have come say that on the internet. I blame myself for that.
But loud talk now, like, it's crazy though. My fright now while I go come here and say, oh God, poor little pretty door.
Me say when me hear me turn my family my call me turn blood clot that come here and say what is?
You like more cousin.
And when you take a stop, girl, why you so girl wicked?
Where now? I like more
go repent. Go repent.
Beat a man and give him rights. Beat a man and give him rights, man. This look like a Matic. I'm a Matic now blood clot do that. Cause she said yesterday and son that happened to them. So
true. Everybody a sympathy she look at. She says she can't manage me on the media. So she make this, she want the internet turn upon me if you say like me a wicked. And you start this, you know, and if I me, all of this could have take place on the phone call in the house, where we there, whatever, you bring it out here. So when it come by, you know, why you can't angle it like a big woman, you can make it look like me a bad person, and me I do this, me I do that. Me no do no, I'll no twep. Then come talk out of my mouth like, oh, you talk out of your mouth. You send police, you send this, you send everything come on me yard, you come, you send man, everything you try to me. You do everything you want, set up my life against with man, everybody, every other side do the most. Hello? Yeah? Okay.